Ready to make informed investment decisions in the multifamily market? Gain unparalleled insights with our 2024 review and 2025 Outlook report. Discover how rent growth dynamics and affordability challenges are shaping regional markets. Learn about new construction trends and how rising costs and labor shortages are impacting supply. Uncover what's driving occupancy rates, like suburban migration, remote work, and shifting demographics, while staying ahead of investment and capital market trends. Navigate financing challenges, understand interest rate fluctuations, and stay updated on regulatory changes affecting affordable housing. Our comprehensive report equips you with the knowledge to stay ahead of market trends, mitigate risks, and maximize profitability in the multifamily sector. Unlock your pathway to success. Download the US Multifamily Market Report 2024 Review and 2025 Outlook today and make confident investment decisions.